Before buying Adidas tennis shoes, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Women's Game Court 2. The Women's Game Court 2 tennis shoes from Adidas caught my eye right away with their sleek design and solid price of just $57.77. If you want comfort and support for your game, this is worth a serious look. These shoes are built for the court, featuring a lace closure that gives you a secure fit so you can focus on your game without worrying about your shoes slipping. The upper is made of 100% synthetic material, which not only makes them lightweight but also durable. Plus, the textile sock liner adds a layer of comfort that feels great during long matches. With a rating of 4.4 stars from over 2,600 reviews, it's clear that many players appreciate their performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You need shoes that can handle the demands of quick movements and sudden stops. Now, some people complained about the fit being a little narrow. Here's the thing though, if you have wider feet, these might not be your best bet. But if you're in the regular fit range, you'll find them to be fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate player looking for affordable and reliable shoes. Skip this one if you have wider feet or prefer a more cushioned sole. Given the price and quality, they're a solid choice. Now, if the narrow fit of the Women's Game Court 2 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Men's Game Court 2. The Men's Game Court 2 tennis shoes are a fantastic option priced at $60. The blend of quality and affordability makes it stand out. If you need a shoe that won't let you down on the court, this is worth a serious look. These shoes come with a rubber outsole that provides reliable grip on the court, crucial for those fast-paced rallies. The textile and synthetic upper means they're lightweight yet durable, while the textile sock liner keeps your feet comfortable throughout your games. With a 4.4-star rating from over 3,700 reviews, it's clear that many players trust this model. Here's why this matters for you. A good grip and comfort can drastically improve your performance and reduce the chance of injury. Now, some reviews mention that they take a bit of time to break in. Here's the thing though, once they're broken in, they fit like a glove. If you're patient and looking for a shoe that performs, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're playing competitive matches and need reliable footwear. Skip this one if you want something that feels comfortable right out of the box. Given the performance, the price is a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for casual players. Product number 3, Men's Light Racer Adapt 7. Check out the Men's Light Racer Adapt 7 running shoes, available for just $44. This stylish slip-on sneaker caught my attention for its comfort and casual look. If you want something versatile for both tennis and casual wear, this is worth a serious look. These shoes feature adjustable laces that provide a snug fit, which is great for keeping your foot secure while you move. The flexible upper is soft and stretchy, perfect for those long days on your feet. Plus, the Cloudfoam midsole offers outstanding cushioning, making every step feel like you're walking on air. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 7,800 reviews, they're clearly a popular choice. Here's why this matters for you. Comfort is key when you're spending hours on the court or running errands. Now, some customers mentioned that these shoes run small. Here's the thing though, if you're aware of this and order half a size up, you'll be just fine. It's not a deal breaker if you know what to expect. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, comfortable shoe that you can wear anywhere. Skip this one if you prefer a more structured tennis-specific shoe. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the sizing issue with the Light Racer Adapt 7 concerned you, the next shoe might have a more universal fit. Product number 4, Women's Game Court 2 Alternate. Next up, we have another version of the Women's Game Court 2 priced at $50.62. This model stands out with its padded collar and breathable upper. If you're looking for lightweight shoes with great ventilation, this is worth a serious look. These shoes offer a padded collar for extra ankle support, which is essential on the court. The open mesh upper allows for breathability, so your feet won't overheat during long matches. The EVA midsole provides lightweight cushioning, which is great for comfort during extended play. And with an Adiwear outsole, they promise durability even with heavy wear. With a solid 4.4-star rating, many players appreciate these features. Here's why this matters. Having good breathability and cushioning can help keep your performance consistent throughout your game. Now, some reviews pointed out that the shoes can feel a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing, they do break in nicely, and once they do, they're incredibly comfortable. It's a small compromise for the performance you get. This is perfect for you if you need breathable shoes for hot days on the court. Skip this one if you prefer a more flexible shoe from the start. For the price, they offer excellent value. Alright, that was a great option for women. But if you're looking for something for men, the next one is a fantastic choice. Product number 5, Men's Light Racer Adapt 7 Alternate. Finally, let's look at another version of the Men's Light Racer Adapt 7, also priced at $44.07. This model shares a lot of similarities with the previous one but offers a slightly different design. If you want a comfortable slip-on that's easy to wear, this is worth a serious look. The Cloudfoam midsole cushions your steps, ensuring you feel good no matter how long you wear them. It's no surprise that it has a 4.5-star rating with over 7,800 reviews. Here's why this matters. If you're looking for a shoe that can double as a casual sneaker and a court shoe, this is a solid pick. Now, some folks noted that these run small too. Here's the thing, it's the same sizing issue, so be mindful when ordering. It's not a big deal if you know ahead of time. This is perfect for you if you need a flexible, stylish shoe that can handle a bit of everything. Skip this one if you want something more rigid for serious tennis matches. At this price point, they deliver on comfort and style. In conclusion, each of these 5 Adidas shoes offers something unique for different players and preferences. To wrap things up, the women's and men's Game Court 2 are great choices for court-specific needs, while the Light Racer Adapt models cater to those looking for comfort and versatility. Each shoe has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all provide excellent value for what you pay. Choose the one that fits your style and playing needs.